Today on the OMI Show, pumpkin handprints. It's the OMI Show!
Hi, I'm Mommy and welcome back to the OMI Show. If you're new to my channel, subscribe. Don't forget to click that like button. Today we're gonna make pumpkin's handprints.
You will need baking sheet with parchment paper, silicone mat, rolling pin, cookie cutter, orange and brown paint, paintbrush, 1 cup flour, 1 cup salt, half cup water, 3/16" ribbon, a spoon, and a plastic knife. Okay, let's get started. Step 1. Pour the salt and water into the flour. Mix it together until it forms a ball. Step 2. Continue to form the dough. Then roll it out about 1/4 of an inch. Step 3. Use the plastic knife to make a pumpkin big enough for your hand. Just press your hand into the dough. Step 4. Put it on a baking sheet. Then use your paintbrush to put 2 holes in it. It should look something like this. Optional. Use a cookie cutter to cut a hole in your hand for a picture. Or use cookie letters to write your name and the date. Then put it in the oven at 200 degrees for 3 hours. Did you know pumpkins are food, not vegetable? They could come in orange, white, blue, and red. Pumpkins are harvested in September and October. Okay, now do you know? Let's check on our pumpkin handprint. Step 5. After you take the pumpkin out of the oven and it's cooled down, paint it. It should look like this when you're done. Step 6. After the paint dries, use the ribbon to shrink through the holes. This is how pumpkin number 2 looks with a picture. That's it, you're done!
I hope you enjoy making these pumpkin handprints. If you do it, tell me on Instagram. If you like this video, click that like button. If you haven't subscribed, do that too.